Deep in the emerald shade, I hear the earth call out my name.
Hello, my name is
Claire's
Claire,
voice
and
like
I
a
invite you
whisper
to join a
washing
two-day
away the
workshop
dust and
on our
rain.
connection with nature.
A 2-day journey where time begins to slow. We kick off our shoes, letting the ancient rhythms flow. Learn to be grounded, feel the soil beneath your feet. Like an old oak reaching down where the heart and mountain meet. In that stillness, find the balance you've been searching for. Hold your breath, find your strength, and open up the door. Oh, wandering free in the arms of the wild, walking with the trees like a long lost child. Stay grounded, stay light, hear your heart beat strong. In the forest's embrace is where we all belong. Every tree has a story, a gentle spirit of its